Hi guys, today I will show you how to melt chocolate chips and make a lace out of chocolate for cake border. Right now I put it some water to boil, and as soon as that boils I will put my dish inside like this and add some chocolate chips. My water is boiling, so I'm gonna put the dish in here and I will put the chocolate chips, and we're gonna keep mixing it up until everything melts. You want to keep mixing it until it's nice and smooth and it all melted, and please make sure no water gets inside. If it gets inside, then it's gonna be ruined. You would have to start over. So I have moved the chocolate into a piping bag, and I lay out the parchment paper size of my cake, and I will swirl around with chocolate to make a design, but you can actually draw a design and go over it with chocolate. So this is how it turned out. You want to go over same spot a couple times so the lace touches each other pretty good, so when we put it on the cake it doesn't break as easily. So right now I have to wait for it dries out and gets a little bit harder, but not too hard. It's not completely hard, but it's still like we can work with it. I'm still waiting on it, and if you can see, this part is already drying out because it's not as shiny as right here. So that's how we need it to be for it to be all this color, not the shiny color. And then we're going to be able to transfer it to the cake and put it in the fridge for it to completely cool and harden. So I have pre-frosted my cake, and I will smooth it out and add the lace on it. Don't worry about it being too smooth because you're not going to be able to see it anyway. Okay, I'm ready to put the lace on the cake. You need to be really careful to pick it up and attach it to the cake. It could be very difficult if you're doing it by yourself. If you have two people, that will help a lot. So I got it on, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge so it cools down and completely hardens, and then we're gonna take off the parchment paper and fix it up a little bit. Okay, it has cooled down, and the chocolate is completely hard, so I'm gonna try removing this parchment paper. You need to be really careful not to break anything, but don't worry, even if we break it, we'll be able to fix it. Okay, so that's how it looks with chocolate being on top of it. Chocolate lace. So this is how it looks so far, and I will add a lot of berries on the top and sprinkle with gold dust, and I will show you guys what it turned out like at the end. So that's how my cake turned out to be. I added some fruits, berries, and sprinkled with gold dust. I will leave a link of the gold dust. I really like it. It's not yellow, it's actually like gold. So this is it.